48 POW and 1 guard were killed in 1 minute at Featherston in New Zealand.
During WW2, Japanese prisoners of war were often incarcerated in Australia and New Zealand. One of the prisons in New Zealand, called Featherston, served as the grounds for one of the quickest and deadliest prison riots turned massacres. In February 1943, Featherston was massively overpopulated. A group of new Japanese POWs staged a sit-down strike. When they refused to work, a guard fired a warning shot, which may have wounded Lieutenant Adachi Toshio. When the warning shot went off, the protesting prisoners stood up. The guards then opened fire, killing 48 POW and one of their own in under a minute.
Pulau Senang prisoners attacked staff in an island penal colony.
Pulau Senang was started as a novel attempt at rehabilitation. Prisoners were shipped to the small island south of Singapore so that they could work on a farm in a prison without walls. At first, things were going well. There were even plans to ignite some trade on the island and build some truly permanent buildings. Then, in 1963, 70 inmates rebelled, attacking staff personnel with bottles and knives. At the end of the day, Colony Superintendent Daniel Dutton and attendants Arumugam Veerasingham and Tan Kok Hyen were killed by the rioting prisoners. The resulting trial lasted 64 days and saw the death sentences of 18 prisoners.
The Battle of Alcatraz turned the famed prison into a ring of fire.
The Battle of Alcatraz turned the famed prison into a ring of fire. A convict and his 19-year-old lover started a riot at Montana State Prison. The Battle of Qala-i-Jangi resulted in the first American death in Afghanistan.
Perot instigated a prison riot in Iran to sneak out 2 Americans.
Perot instigated a prison riot in Iran to sneak out 2 Americans.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.